So we're here at the LG booth with Peter of LG, and my biggest complaint, I hate waiting for dishes to take 2.5, 3 hours.
You know, I've only got so many plates at home, and sometimes I need plates ready for dessert before they're done being washed, but not anymore. If you look here, we've got LG's industry-leading 1-hour wash and dry cycle. If you look, you can always tell what has it, because you look down here and you'll see these spray arms that have these holes. And check this out. That kind of looks like a bubble blower, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And it actually is. So how our 1-hour wash and dry cycle works is we're actually generating micro bubbles. That's 1 million or more little tiny bubbles the size of a hair follicle that just love to scrape food off of dishes. Gets in there, tons of surface area for the detergent that's in there. Does an amazing job cleaning. Well, that wouldn't get it done in 1 hour. So what we've done on top of that is we've added dynamic heat dry. If you look back there, you'll see that little box down there. That's bringing in cool air from outside and warming it up so we can dry those dishes incredibly fast. In fact, in under 60 minutes, you'll go from dirty dishes to table-ready dishes. That's 60 minutes for entirely clean and ready to use dishes.
So anybody that does a lot of entertaining, right? You've got those prep dishes you've got to put in first. You can put those in an hour later, and then you're right in the middle of entertaining. And I hate dishes in the sink.
Yeah,
they have to be done. They have to be done. So in an hour, we can get that done. And I love the racking here, right? You can put casserole dishes in the back, in the front, plates left to right.
Yep. And a lot of ways that we can rack it so that you can work for all your dishes. To your point, I don't need to pre-soak those dishes. Just put them in. Quad Wash Pro will clean any dish you throw at it. And I can do a bottom or a top load on many of these washers as well. So here we've got lots of room for everything in there. 3 different sprayers in here along with that 1 hour. And the most important thing, I think what you said is in 1 hour, I've got table-ready dishes.
Start to finish. And what I like is a lot of people don't know, a lot of dishwashers have adjustable top racks, or in this case, middle rack, right? So if I push on either side, I can lift this up. How many positions is this, Peter?
We can, on this model, there's going to be 4 positions.
Okay.
And I'll tell you what, you actually made it look harder than it really is. If we were to fill this up with dishes, it's actually easier full, I feel like, than it is, and it's super ergonomic, right?
Yeah,
it's
because
in the right
you never
place.
know, and actually that's a great point you bring up, right? Because you may have that big Stanley cup here, right? And then you've got a large cookie sheet or something on the bottom, and you don't know until you go to slide it in that you may need to adjust that. So that's actually a great point.
And there you have it. You can fit up to 16 table settings in here. And how long did I say until it comes out dry?
In an hour.
In an hour. Isn't that amazing?
That's awesome. Great entertaining dishwasher. LG does it again.
Okay.